Hi friends, these are the jackfruit seeds. After eating the jackfruit, you will be getting this kind of seeds, which you have to this uncover the outer part and then try to have the inner seed which has a brown color coating. After that you will be getting the white color coating. So try to eat these which are rich in everything more than an almond and bigger in size. So what you have to do is, after you get the seed by eating the jackfruit, you have to put onto the stove and make it cook like this, or you can put in oven also or in air fryer, and then consume them and take all the rich benefits which an almond have. So try this friends, eat this white part which is great in everything, and let me know in your comments how you felt about it. Great in taste. Thanks for watching my video, my healthy tips. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Kavita Balaji here. See you in my next video.